Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this Top Dog rubber garden hose, 30 feet. Let's show you guys what's in the box and how it works. Alright, inside the box, this is it. So it's kind of in between the expandable hoses and your old-fashioned garden hose. This is a little more flexible, as you guys can see. You can flex it a little more. So it's not as flexible as, let's say, a expandable garden hose, but this is more flexible than the old-fashioned hoses. So it looks pretty nice and it feels pretty strong. So it's going to be a little stronger than the expandable. So this is your trigger. So you got center, flat, cone, soaker, full, angle, shower, mist, your basic different sprays. Let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, so we have the end on, and this is center, so you guys can see here, that's what center looks like. That's what mist, so that's supposed to be mist. Well, that's definitely not mist. It's a lot more full than mist normally would be. This is shower, or supposed to be shower. This is angle, which is, I mean it's angled, but it's definitely a direct line of a lot of water. This is full. And so soaker, this is cone, flat, so this is supposed to be flat, and back to center.